In this video, I want to show you how to connect a USB drive to your iPhone 17 and also show you how to transfer files between the iPhone and the USB. So the iPhone 17 only have one USB Type-C port, and most USB drives are USB Type-A. If yours is like this one, well, you'll need an adapter that is USB Type-A on one side and USB Type-C on the other one. And you just have to connect it over here on the iPhone to make this work. Now, of course, the best would be to have a USB Type-C drive, like this one. It has both USB Type-A on one side and USB Type-C. I'll put a link in the description, by the way, if you want to get one of these. So, if yours is one of these, you just have to connect it directly to the iPhone. Once the USB drive is connected, we can go ahead and open Files. If you don't see the Files app on the front over here, you can go on the other one. It's over here. If you're still not seeing it, go all the way towards the right side in the app library, tap on top and type Files. This is an app that comes with your iPhone. You don't have to download anything. Once you open Files, you're going to tap on Browse down below. Then tap on this arrow. We're now on the main menu. Over here you can see on my iPhone, this is the internal memory of your iPhone 17. And then you have USB 128. This is the name of my USB drive. Yours may be something else. So if you want to see what's on your USB drive, tap on it and you'll have access to all the folders and files. If you want to copy a file that is currently on your USB drive and put it on your iPhone memory, you simply have to tap these three dots, click on Select, and now select every files you want to copy on your iPhone, could be also a folder. Then click the three dots, select Copy 5 items, or maybe in your case it's 2 items or 3, whatever. Then go back, select on my iPhone. Right now my iPhone is empty, doesn't have anything. You can create a folder, so click the 3 dots, new folder. Let's say that it's test. Alright, this is my new folder. Tap on it, and now we want to paste the files over here, so I'll keep press anywhere and select paste. And they got transfer. Same thing if you want to transfer, let's say, data files that are on your iPhone to your USB drive. Now, if you have pictures and you want to transfer them on your USB drive, all you have to do is to go in. You're going to go into the photo gallery app, the one you use to look at your pictures. These are some pictures I took with my iPhone. Let's say I want to transfer these two ones. Well, I'll click on Select. Select the pictures you want to transfer on your USB drive. Then click on these 3 dots. Copy. And now we need to go, back in the Files app. Select your USB drive. Select which of these folders you want to copy these pictures, or you can also not copy them in a folder specifically. Let's say I want to copy in this over there. Keep press anywhere on the screen and select paste. The pictures have now been pasted on the USB drive. Once you're done using it, simply disconnect, and this is about it. You don't have to press anything. So, thanks for watching. Again, if you want to get a USB drive, check my links down below. I'll also put links towards an adapter if you already have a USB drive. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.